Hello everybody, welcome back to another 019 Fish video. And today, it's a very special day, because it is 1 day till Drakon opening day. Yes, only 1 day. Now, today we are going to be talking about the most recent ride to open, of course, Ghostly Manor. So, Ghostly Manor is built on the former site of the park's 4D cinema, and it is an interactive dark ride made by Mac Rides. And it's basically just like on a giant circle, and you like spin around, you know. It's a very weird system. I'm excited to try out, but yeah, it's like you're in a circle and then like you flip around and stuff. You know, very cool, and it's themed to, you know, haunted house. Yes, that stuff. And yes, that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please do hit that subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you all tomorrow on the opening day of Valguard. See you there.